Alright guys, bear with me. This is the rear door actuator. You get the door off. Alright, just take a quick look. You can see we've got 1, 2, 3. Got another one of those down here. When it comes to taking your door off, take your time. Alright, when it comes to the actual door actuator itself, this is what this bad boy looks like. So it's actually on here, in here like this. Okay, take a look. Get an idea what you're working with. Alright, now first you're going to do 3 bolts. 1, 2, 3. All right. This piece right here, you're going to take this bolt off. This bolt is right there on the door handle. Slide it forward and pull it down. All right. Next, you've got your door. This actuator is in there. From there, I was able to finesse. You can see the bottom of these pins. You're going to have to twist them and they'll come out. All right, regards to the outside right here, it's a Torx T30 bit. I actually picked up this set of die-hard Torx wrenches. I didn't even know these existed. They've really come in handy. It was about $17. It's a larger set. Now this piece, you don't want to break this, okay? Take a look at this. This is interesting. This piece right here, I put a flathead beneath it and popped it up. Take your time, just because of the age of this thing. Don't want to break it, and it's going to be a little tough to pull up at first. Okay, something else I want to show you guys is this little clip right here. All right, take a notice. You can see how excuse me, it has the flapper on one side that holds it on, and when you look at the other side, there's kind of like that backwards, I guess P you could call it. So that lip, I was able to use small, very small flathead and pry it up for reinstallation. You can see here's the new piece. You can see how much cleaner it looks. Now this is, what is this, a premium piece. I've bought this Chinese stuff before. I'm not the biggest fan of putting Chinese parts in my car, but you know what? The door window regulators have worked extremely well. We're going to give these a shot and continue the gamble. So if you're doing this, take your time. It's not bad. You just got to be really patient, so good luck.